Hello, now I am going to tell you how to model a helical spring. So there are basically two methods. So I am going to discuss the first one. In the first method, let us sketch a 3D sketch, and in this we will use a equation driven curve. So first of all, let us the x component be 5 into cos t, the y component as same 5 into sin t, and I am giving the z component as 1 into t, and I am giving the variation of t from 0 to 90. This is basically a parameter t. So let's say OK. So now you can see it has generated a helix. So this is particularly a helix for a spring, and now we are going to take a plane at this point and normal to the helix. So I will exit the sketch and take a plane. So for taking plane, we go into reference geometry and plane. So for giving a new plane, we have to select two references at least. So first reference, I am selecting the curve, and second reference I am selecting this endpoint. So now you see it is fully defined and the plane is, we can create plane now. So say OK, and now I am going to sketch on this plane. So now using sketch commands, I will use circle over here. So we'll draw a circle for the cross section of helical spring, and let us give radius as 1. Say OK, and now exit the sketch. So now let us hide this plane. So now you can see the helix is being created and a cross section is being created as a circle. So now we'll use sweep command, and I will first select the profile, that is the section basically. So the profile is being selected, and now we have to give the path. So for the path, we have generated already the helix, so we will give the helix as a path, and now you can see the helical spring is being generated. So let's say OK. So this is the helical spring we are saying. This is the first method. Now I am going to explain you the second method for drawing the helical spring. So I will take a new part. In this method, first we are going to sketch a circle. Let's say its dimension is 5, and hit it. So exit the sketching. So now you have to use the curves, and in the curve helix and spring. So over here you can see there are certain options: the combination of pitch, revolution, height, and spiral. So using these combinations we can generate the helix, but currently I am using pitch and revolution, and the pitch I am giving over here is 3, and the revolutions I am making it as 10, and let's say the angle is 90. And there are two more options. You can go for clockwise helical and counterclockwise helical. So now you can see the helix is being generated like this. So say OK. So now you can see the helix. Now, as the previous method, we'll take a plane and that too on the edge, and now we are going to sketch on this plane. So let's say a circle, and let's say the dimension of this is 1. I will fit it, and now you can see the sketch is being generated, and now we are going same like exiting the sketch and swept command. So sketch 2 is selected as a profile, and the path will select it as a helix. So now you can see the helix is being generated, and it is like a helical spring. So for generating the sweep or spring, it is the same, but the only difference in two methods is that in one method the curve is being generated automatically, and in the other method the curve is generated by the set of equations. So that's all for this tutorial. So do like this video. Thanks for watching this video. Do subscribe the channel. Thank you.